Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, in that previous video we discussed that worksheet 2 questions, right? Worksheet 2, 3, those 2 questions we learned, right? And here in this video we are going to discuss that worksheet 4. Okay, let us see here what is the first question they given in that worksheet 4. Say that if 15 into p minus 1, if 15 into p minus 1 plus 4 into p plus 3, okay, which is equals to 2 into 7 plus p, then find the value of the variable p. Okay, we need to find the value of the variable p. Let us see here. They given that 15 of p minus 1 plus 4 into p plus 3, which is equals to 2 into 7 plus p. From this one we need to find that p value. Okay, what value satisfies that the given equation. Understand? See here. 15 into p is 15p minus 15 into 1 is 15 plus 4 into p is 4p plus 4 into 3 is 12. Am I clear, ma? Just we have to take the product of the number and here what is that given expression, that those two we have to take the product. Understand? And see here 2 into 7 which is equals to 2 sevens 14 plus 2 into p which is equals to 2p. Am I clear? Yes. See that, ma. Now I want to write that all the variables together. All the variables together at the side of left hand side. Which means in that LHS place I want to write that all the variables terms. Okay. And RHS side I want to write that all the constant terms. Okay, ma. See that. Here already variable is there. What is that? 15p. Next variable term is plus 4p. Along with the sign we have to write that. Understand? Completed from that LHS. Now from that RHS, here we are having that the variable term, that is 2p. Okay. And the 2p is having here plus 2p. So that one become as minus 2p. Okay. Which is equals to here. And constant terms. Already here one constant term is existed. No? So that constant term we have to write as it is 14. And here constant terms minus 15 is there, no? So that one become as plus 15. Next, any other, ma? Yes, here plus 12 is there, so that one become as minus 12. Understand? After that 15 plus 4. Okay, all are having that same variable, no? So that's why here 15p plus 4p which is equals to 19p. 19p minus 2p which is equals to here 17p. Understand, ma? Yes. Which is equals to here 14 plus 15 which is equals to 29. 29 minus 12 which is equals to 29 minus 2 is 27. 27 minus 10 is which is 17. Okay. Understand? And finally here p is equals to 17 whole by 17. Okay. Why? Because here 17 into p. Okay. Those two are in product, no? So that product become as division. Now here 17 and 17 gets cancelled and finally here the value of p is 1. What is the value of p, ma? Here p is 1. Understand? Yes. Let us see that. So here which option is correct, ma? Option A is correct. Okay. Let us see that next question. See that next question, ma. If 7 minus of 3x minus of 4x minus 5 minus 3 which is equals to 0. From this one we need to find that x value. Okay. See here. 7 minus, first we need to simplify that. Inside of the brackets what values are there, those values first we need to finish. Okay. See here. Brackets of 3x and here 4x minus 5 is there. One of the term is variable term, another term is constant term. So we should not take that the difference of those two terms. So that's why here minus into plus which is equals to minus 4x and minus into minus which is equals to plus 5 and here minus 3 which is equals to 0. Clear, ma? Next 7 minus of 3x, just see that here 3x minus 4x, here these two are having that same variable term. Yes or no? So we can take the difference of two same variable terms and in the same way we can add that those two terms if those two are having same variables. Understand? So as per this one 3 minus 4 which is equals to minus x plus 5 minus 3 which is equals to 2, which is equals to 0. Understand? Next, 7 minus of minus is there. So minus into minus is plus x. And here minus into plus which is equals to minus 2, which is equal to 0. Understand? And here 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay. That is a plus 5 or minus 5 more? Plus 5 only, no? So x plus 5 which is equals to 0. From this one, x is equals to plus 5 become as minus 5. Understand? Finally, what is the root of this equation here? Minus 5 is the root of the given equation. So, as per this one, which option is correct here? Yes, option D is correct. That is minus 5. Understand? Yes. See here, ma. Next, third question, what is that? If x minus 4, actually here, brackets only, given that information as that brackets, we can take it as multiplication, but here again multiplication symbol is there, but no need to write. So write this one as x minus 4 into x plus 4, okay, which is equals to x plus 4 into x minus 7 plus 33, x minus 7 plus 33. Am I clear, ma? Yes. Now simplify this. First we have to simplify that LHS side. Next we have to simplify that RHS side. Okay. Let us say that here a minus b into a plus b. And we know the formula. What is that? A minus b into a plus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. Or else if you doesn't know the formula, just go for that multiplication. So here first we have to take that x into x plus 4. Next minus 4 into x plus 4. Understand, ma? Yes. Which is equals to, here also same thing, x into x minus 7 plus 4 into x minus 7 plus 33. Clear? Yes. X into x is x square plus 4 into x is 4x. Completed. Next minus 4 into x is 4x. Minus into plus, which is equals to minus 4 into 4 is 16. 4 4s 16, okay, which is equals to x into x, x square, minus x into 7, which is equals to 7x, plus 4 into x, 4x, minus 4 7s 28, plus 33. Clear? Yes. X square, and here plus 4x minus 4x gets cancelled, which means plus 4 and minus 4, which is equals to 0, no? So we can cancel those two terms. Next, x square minus 16, which is equals to here x square minus 16, which is equals to here x square, only one term is there, so that is x square. And here say that minus 7x plus plus 4x, minus 7x plus 4x. So minus 7 plus 4, which is equals to minus 3x. And here minus 28 plus 33. Minus 28 plus 33, which is equals to plus 5. Am I clear? Yes. And here both sides also we are having that a positive x square. And we know that if you transpose any one of the term, that is the x square term, either from LHS to RHS or from RHS to LHS, then the positive term becomes as a negative. Okay. At that cases, both x square and minus x square gets cancelled. Understand? See that. X square. And here plus x square is there, no? So that one becomes as a minus x square. And here minus 16. Here minus 3x is there, no? So that one just take it as a plus 3x. And plus 5 is there. While transposing that term, that one becomes as a minus 5, which is equals to 0. Understand? Yes. As per this one here, x square and minus x square gets cancelled. Understand, ma? Next, 3x, and here minus 16 minus 5, minus 16 minus 5, which is equals to minus 21. Okay, see here, minus 21. So here all the terms completed from that LHS and RHS is equal to 0, no? So which is equals to 0. Understand, ma? Next say that here 3x is equals to minus 21 become as plus 21. Minus 21 become as plus 21. From this one, x is equals to 21 by 3. X is equal to 21 by 3. Now here 3 1s 3 and 3 7s 21. Finally here x is equal to 7. So what is the value of x ma here? X is equal to 7 satisfies that given equation. That's why 7 is that root of the given equation. Understand? Now here which option is satisfying ma? Option A, that is 7. Clear? Yes. Next question says that fourth one, and this is also same like the previous one, but here 1 by 6 into 4x plus 5. Fraction form they given, minus 2 by 3 into 2x plus 7, which is equals to 3 by 2. Which is equals to 3 by 2. Understand? Children, we know that for this kind of questions here, 3 fractions given. Okay. So wherever fractions given means just we have to go for that LCM of the denominators. Understand? Now here left side we are having 6 and 3 as the denominators. Okay. Now here LCM of 3 and 6 is 3 and 6 is 6. Yes or no? Why? Because 6 is a multiple of 3. Okay, that's why here what is the LCM of 3 and 6 ma? 6 only, no? Yes. Now here the first numerator is 4x plus 5 by 6. Shall we write like this? Okay. And here this one we can write it as 2 into 2x plus 7 whole by 3. Okay. So that's why here directly I will write, see that whole by, here the LCM is 6, no? So whole by 6. And here minus 2 into 2x plus 7. Okay, this total one take it as numerator, no? 2 into 2x plus 7 into, here 3 is there, no? So 3 into how much is equal to 6 ma? 3 2 is 6. Understand? Yes. Which is equals to here 3 by 2. Okay. Now simplify this. 4x plus 5 minus 2 2's 4x, and here just take that only product ma. Why? Because here another one is there, no? So or else if you want to take the product, then directly you can write this one as 2 into 2 as 4. Okay. 4 into 2x plus 7. Shall we write like this ma? Yes, of course. Why? Because here 2 is there and here also 2 is there, no? So directly take the product of 2 and 2. Understand? Whole by 6, which is equals to 3 by 2. Understand? From this one, 4x plus 5, and here minus 4 2's are 8, minus 8x. Okay, and here minus into plus is minus, 4 7's 28. So minus 28 whole by 6, which is equals to here 3 by 2. Understand ma? Which is equals to 3 by 2. Now here simplification, 4x minus 8x, which is equals to minus 4x. Okay, and here 5 and minus 28, which is equals to minus 23. Whole by 6 is equals to 3 by 2. Whole by 6 is equal to 3 by 2. Now we can write this one as minus 4x minus 23 is equals to 3 by 2 into 6. Why? Because here 6 is in that division form. Okay, by 6 is there. So that's why here while you are transposing 6 from LHS to RHS, division become as multiplication. Understand? Yes. Now cancellations, 2 3 6. From this one, minus 4x minus 23, which is equals to 3 3 is 9. 3 3 is 9. From this one, here minus 4x is equals to here 9 minus 23 become as plus 23. Understand ma? Yes. Which is equals to here minus 4x is equal to plus 9 plus 23, which is equals to plus 32. 32. From this one, x is equals to 32 by minus 4. 32 by minus 4. From this one, 4 ones and here 4 8's 32. From this one, x is equals to minus 8. X is equal to minus 8. Understand ma? Yes. So as per this one here, which option is satisfying? Yes, option C is satisfying, that is minus 8. Understand? Yes. And see that next question ma, fifth one, what is that? If two sides of an equilateral triangle. Children, do you know about the equilateral triangle? What about that equilateral triangle ma? All the sides are of having that same measurement. All the sides are having a same measurement. Now here they given that in a in an equilateral triangle, here the sides are 6x plus 1 and 11x plus 5 by 2. Okay, see here. Sides of an equilateral triangle. Given that sides of an equilateral triangle are 6x plus 1 units and 11x plus 5 by 2 units. Okay children, these two are the sides of that equilateral triangle. Understand? But here we know that the sides of an equilateral triangle are equal. Okay, all the sides are equal, no? So see here, we know that all the sides of an equilateral triangle are equal. Okay, this condition we know that, right? Why? Because all the sides of a equilateral triangle, okay, all the sides are having that equal measurement, no? So that's why here, but two measurements they given. Whatever it may be, two measurements given, but here those two sides are equal. Okay, as per that condition here, we can write this one as, since 6x plus 1 which is equals to here 11x plus 5 by 2. Why? Because we know this condition. Why? Because any two sides are equal. Not only any two sides, which means all the three sides are equal. Means one side is equal to that another side, and this side equal to that third side. Third side is equal to that first side. Okay, that's why we can say that all the sides are equal. But here two sides measurements they given, no? So that's why we can take that those two sides are equal. Understand? See here, ma. From this one, here by 2 is there, no? So that's why that one become as multiplication. Now here 2 into 6x plus 1 which is equals to 11x plus 5. Clear? Yes. Now here 2 into 6x is equals to 12x plus 2 into 1 is 2 which is equals to 11x plus 5. Now I want to write together all the variable terms and all the constant terms together. See here, now 12x and here variable term is there, no? So that one plus 11x become as minus 11x which is equals to 5 already there in constant RHS and plus 2 become as minus 2. Understand, ma? Yes. 12 minus 11 is x. So x is equal to 5 minus 2 which is equals to 3. And finally here x is equal to 3. Here children, you may get the doubt, ma'am, you said that all the sides are equal in a equilateral triangle. Okay, here we got that x is equal to 3, but here they given that two different expressions. Then how we can say that those two are equal? Just see that here if you check that LHS, what is that, ma? 6x plus 1 which is equals to 6 into 3 plus 1 which is equals to 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. Understand? So one of the side is equal to, we got it as 19 units. 19 units. And come to that RHS side. Here this is RHS and this is LHS. RHS is equal to 11x plus 5 by 2 which is equals to 11 into 3 plus 5 by 2. 11 3 is 33 plus 5 by 2 which is equals to 38 by 2 to 19s. Finally here also we got that 19 units only, no? Okay, that side is having that 19 units and this is also having the same measurement 19 units only, no? Okay, see here. And finally here LHS is equals to RHS. Understand, ma? At what value this is satisfying? At the value of x is equal to 3. So that's why here 3 is the root of that given equation. So which option is correct, ma, here? Option C is satisfying. Understand, children? So in this video we learned that 1 to 5 questions. Am I clear to you? In that next video again we will start with 6 onwards. Okay, 6 to 10 questions there. Those 5 questions also we will discuss in that next video. Okay, thank you all.